Hi, Ellie here, and today I'm going to talk about my experiences of using the Ooni KODA 16 after 2 years. Let's do it. I love to cook pizza and cast iron pan dishes using the KODA range of pizza ovens, the KODA 12 and the KODA 16. The KODA 16 has an L-shaped gas burner, and so this has been a very practical oven to own over the last 2 years because I love that L-shaped burner. It's a fabulous design. It lights up the inside of the oven and you can see everything you're cooking, particularly your crusts at the side. That makes this oven special for me because of the size of the burner and the space that you've got inside to cook on. The L-shaped burner speeds up the pizza cook as well, as it's cooking nearly half of your pizza at once. So you can rotate the other half and you're nearly done. I think I've cooked a pizza just rotating twice. Not very often because I tend to rotate my pizzas a lot. I do think that this gas burner has helped me cook faster pizza. Not that I've got a thing about cooking fast pizza. I'm happy with a very slow cook as well. If you want to cook a lot of pizza and you're having a pizza party, then cooking quickly is going to help make more pizza and cook more pizza for your friends. So yeah, having an L-shaped burner really does make a huge difference to the speed at which you cook your pizza. And it's also very bright in there, and that's why I love it. The gas dial at the side of the pizza oven is in a perfect position for me. It's so easy for me to turn it on and off. So I like the dial at the side compared to at the back of the oven. It's just easier to reach. The dial is also very easily adjustable. When you go down to minimum, you get a low flame. When you hit the max, you're getting that full-on big L-shaped burner flame. And I cook my pizza in this oven on max, on full flame. I never reduce it. I don't need to because the flame is very wispy. I cook on 3/4 flame using the smaller Ooni KODA 12 oven. But in this big oven, cooking on full flame is the best. Gets the cook done fast without burning the crust. The ignition button works really well. After 2 years, I'm just clicking and gently releasing it and the burner just ignites easily. I've had no issues over 2 years using the dial and the ignition. And the burner is working as effectively as it did when I first got it. All going well. Pizza stone is not square like with the other ovens. However, that's no problem because I turn it over if it gets full of debris. I can still turn it over. I can't turn it back to front. It does burn off and it's fine. It's all burnt off in the end. The stone is nice and thick and it also retains the heat well. You've got plenty of cooking space on this stone and it fits right up to the gas burner. You've got loads of room to manoeuvre your pizza and you've got ample amount of space to make a good sized up to 16-inch pizza in this oven. I don't cook 16-inch pizza very often, but I like to cook all different sizes. But it's nice to know that I can go up to 16 if I want to, but I'm probably hitting around 12-inch to 14-inch pizzas in this oven, and I've got lots of room to manoeuvre in there, and that's why I love this oven so much. You can just move your pizza away from the flames if you want, or you can move it right up if you want a faster cook. It's just nice to have so much room. This oven isn't the lightest of ovens. However, when the stone is out of the oven, I can carry it. Pizza ovens seem to be getting heavier for the larger ones, but this one I can carry without the stone. It's easy to set up as well. Just unfold the legs if you fold them. I don't fold them. I just keep them down all the time for storage. Slide the stone back in, attach the gas, and you're ready to go. Put the oven on full flame to heat up, and it'll be done and ready for cooking in about 15 to 20 minutes on full flame. The oven structure has stood the test of time of 2 years as well. It's looking good. All I do is give it a quick wipe with a cloth on the outside, and the outside structure has not changed at all. It's very good quality and it looks like new on the outside. On the inside, I haven't cleaned it. I'm going to clean it here now because it's the first time I've actually wiped the inside in 2 years. So let me show you that. Giving an opportunity without the stone in. This is the first ever clean after 2 years I've done with the oven. I've never cleaned it. I've just wiped this bit that's around here. But other than that, I've never cleaned the inside after 2 years and a lot of cooking. So I think it looks pretty good. But I'm just think there's some like semolina dust and flour dust. Get that out the way. It's not, there's not much debris down here because the stone covers the whole area. That's the first clean it's had in 2 years. That's not bad. There's not much there at all. Sparkling again. And the roof of the oven. Looking good. The oven structure looks like new outside, and I haven't lost my little feet or anything. They're still there. I have added a few scratches to the side. I think that's more due to the fact that I use a different peel. I use a square peel to rotate the pizza in this oven, and that's a personal choice. I don't think that's what most people do that I'm aware of. I think most people use a nice round pizza peel to turn, but I use a square one because it works for me and I like using it, and I think that's probably added to a few scratches on the right hand side there. It looks great. Not much has changed after 2 years of use. Very much like the Ooni KODA 12. That one also looks great. So I think this powdered coating that they put on the outside of these Ooni KODA ovens, the heat doesn't change it at all. It's retained its appearance. This powder coated, I don't know what it is, but it's really good. It's on the Ooni KODA 12 as well. Budget-wise, this isn't the entry-level KODA oven. The entry-level KODA oven, gas-fired KODA oven, is the KODA 12. However, this pizza oven cooks bigger pizza than the KODA 12, which cooks pizza up to 12 inches, and this pizza oven cooks up to 16 inches. If you're looking to cook bigger pizza, you're going to have to spend more, but for that money, you will get more room, and you will get an L-shaped burner, and you'll be able to cook bigger pizza. I really love this pizza oven. It's my go-to oven right now out of all of the Ooni range. That's because it's so nice and easy to use and set up. I make small and I make big pizza in here and cast iron pan dishes. And if you are new to cooking pizza, this oven will be a great starter oven for you because of the room for you to maneuver your pizza in. You can keep the pizza away from the flames due to the size of the cooking stone. I only use 2 tools for this oven, pizza tools. I use the wooden pizza peel to launch, and then I use the square peel to turn the pizza. Just 2 pizza tools, that's all I need for this oven. And if you are new to pizza cooking as well, I'd start off cooking small pizza in this oven and then slowly increase the size until you get used to the oven and your pizza dough. I've made a pizza dough video, how I make my pizza dough, and I'll link it here and in the description below. I've owned the Ooni KODA 12 pizza oven for 3 years, and I love them both, but out of the 2 of the KODA range, the KODA 16 is my favourite because I can cook bigger pizza and it's so bright in there. I can see what's going on with my crusts at the back. I really love this oven, and after 2 years, I'm still loving it. It's looking good. Nothing's gone wrong in it. No parts have fallen off, and the dial and the ignition are working like new as well. And I've made a lot of pizza in it. I use it a lot. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed it. Smash the like button. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.